Hey there, folks. Alright, just a quick unboxing, eh? Alright, so, also I'm still working on the tank there. Just trying to get ahead on some videos so I can put some stuff out, but, yeah. So, we'll have that coming soon. So, let's see, what do we get here? Alright, folks. Alright, so just a quick unboxing. We have here the Blues Brothers slot car, and this is the newer version here, and this one has the speaker on the top. Now, hold on. I have the other one in the series here, the version without the speaker. So this is this just came out. It's newly tooled with the loudspeaker. Now you remember in the movie, this is when they were announcing the final gig of the show, and they were cruising around. So that's there, and I do have the cop car version of it too. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Like I said, Auto World just released this and got a good deal on it over the Christmas holiday, so I had to pick it up. So, yep, like I said, just a quick unboxing, eh? And that's it. All right, folks, remember, till next time, be kind.